Good morning, students. How are you? I think you will be fine. Students, this is very critical time, and you also watch news, and you can see that the victims of corona or the infections of corona is increasing day by day. Students, so in this crucial time, or during this critical time, please don't go out of your houses. Sanitize yourself every after 20 or 30 minutes, and do not go out of your houses. Stay at home, stay safe, stay healthy. Students, in the previous video I explained the first chapter of short story. Today I am going to explain from here. Listen, do not forget. The wife reminded him. So what did wife remind him? Remind Sanku. Wife reminded Sanku, do not to forget to bring ointment for the child and 2 ripe bananas. Sanku nodded his head and walked on. He nodded his head and walked on. He shook his head in approval and walked on. At 1 o'clock, the bell rang for the interval. At 1 o'clock, the bell rang for the interval. Everyone rushed in haste to homes, hotels, or tea shop for lunch. And as soon as at 1 o'clock the bell rang for interval, every worker ran in haste towards the homes, hotels, or tea shops for lunch. Sanku was the only one who did not go anywhere, and Sanku remained stay at the same place. He did not leave the working place that day. He stood leaning against a pillar in a corner on the west side of the office. He stood leaning against a pillar. Sanku stood leaning against a pillar in a corner on the west side. Towards the west of the office there was a pillar, and he stood leaning against a pillar of his office. He did not move from there. His heart was clouded and bursting with impatience. His heart was bursting with impatience. Impatience means adhir. उसका हृदय बड़ी अधैर्यता के साथ धड़क रहा था. A few moments passed. कुछ क्षण बीत गए. The engineer, a short, fat Englishman with a cat-like eyes, who looked like a marble statue, got out of the room, closed the door, and left the office as usual. So, about the engineer, you can describe. A question is there. Describe the engineer about in the story. So you can describe engineer in the story. Engineer was had a short, fat, was short in height. The engineer was short in height and he was fat. His eyes were like the cat's eyes, and he was looking like a marble statue. He went out of the room, closed the door, and left the office. As usual, there was no watch on his wrist, और सामान्य पहले की तरह हमेशा की तरह उसकी कलाई में घड़ी नहीं थी. Sanku's heart felt cool with relief, and seeing the wrist without watch, Sanku felt cool with relief. A few moments passed. कुछ मोमेंट्स बीत गए. शंकु लुक्ड अराउंड. शंकु ने चारों ओर देखा. देयर वॉज नोबडी इन साइट, एंड ही फाउंड दैट देयर वॉज नो वन अराउंड हिम. ही वॉक्ड टुवर्ड्स द ऑफिस. He walked toward the office. The glass window, as usual, was only partially closed. The glass window, as usual, was only partially closed. The glass window was partially closed, as usual, and it remained as usual. It always remained partially closed. The gold watch was on the table. The gold watch was on the table. How it glittered! ये कितनी चमकदार है. His heart beat faster. So seeing the shining of the gold watch, his heart was beating faster. The Englishman would return after lunch and his siesta only by 4 o'clock. Sanku thought that the Englishman would return after lunch and his siesta only by 4 o'clock, and he would take a short sleep by 4 o'clock. Siesta means, students, you can say an afternoon rest or nap. दोपहर के समय में लिया गया थोड़ा सा छोटा सा आराम, ये छोटी सी झपकी, that is called siesta. So Sanku was thinking that he would return after lunch, taking taking a snap, and he would return after by 4 o'clock. He would return by 4 o'clock. Sanku was thinking all about this. A good opportunity. There was nobody around. Sanku thought that it was a good opportunity. एक अच्छा अवसर है. There was nobody around. वहाँ पर उस समय उसके चारों ओर कोई नहीं था. There was no one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes passed. In this way, up to 7, 8 minutes passed. Suddenly, Sanku thought, and then Sanku thought, suppose someone sees me. शायद मुझे किसी ने देख लिया तो क्या होगा. As in the past few days, जैसे कि पहले कुछ दिन पहले, fear pushed him forward, और जैसे कुछ दिन पहले उसके भय ने उसको वहाँ से रिमूव कर दिया था. He took a few steps. उसने कुछ कदम आगे बढ़ाए. Looked around. This is looked around. चारों ओर देखा उसने. He moved ahead few steps, looked around, but saw no one. लेकिन उसने किसी को नहीं देखा या उसे कोई दिखाई नहीं दिया. But saw no one. उसने किसी भी व्यक्ति को वहाँ पर नहीं देखा. Prompted again. Prompted means you can say suggested, encouraged himself. Prompted again by urgent need, he walked towards the room. So prompted, encouraged himself for the urgent need, or encouraging himself for the urgent need, he walked towards the room. Actually, Sanku had a lot of needs, and he was unable to fulfill all the requirements only on salary what he would get from the office, and he had a lot of expenses. So in order to fulfill all his requirements, all his needs, he encouraged himself to steal the watch from the office. So in this way, here the author said that Sanku, prompting himself or encouraging himself again by the urgent need, he walked towards the room. Once again he looked around. उसने चारों ओर फिर देखा. Nobody was there. वहाँ पर कोई नहीं था. A shudder passed. एक भय उसके अंदर से समा गया. कपकपी. Shudder means एक कपकपी, जैसे movement in body, a fearful movement in body. Shudder passed through his veins. उसकी नसों में ऐसा लगा जैसे कोई कपकपी सी चल रही हो. His heart throbbed. उसका हृदय भी कांपने लगा. 1 second passed. 1 मिनट बीत गया. He stretched out a hand, and the gold watch was in it. वह अपना हाथ फैलाएगा और गोल्ड वॉच उसके हाथ में आ जाएगी. Nervously his eyes made a quick survey. धीरे से उदास होते हुए, नर्वस होते हुए या झिझकते हुए, हेजिटेट होते हुए, he looked quickly around him. He surveyed. No one was there at all, and he found that there was no one. Trembling, he put the watch in pocket of his trousers. कांपते हुए उसने उस घड़ी को अपनी पॉकेट में, अपने पैजामे की पॉकेट में रख लिया. He held his breath and walked forward in haste. उसकी सांसें रुक सी गईं और आगे बढ़ गया, आगे चलने लगा. Walked forward in haste, और जल्दी में, hurriedly he walked forward. After about 10 steps, he walked nearly 10 steps. He looked back again. Then he saw someone quickly along the eastern corridor, and at the same time he saw someone along the eastern corridor. पूर्वीय कॉरिडोर से उसने किसी व्यक्ति को, कॉरिडोर मीन्स यू कैन से, इसको हिंदी में गलियारा कहते हैं, a long passage in a building from which doors led into room, that is known as corridor. So he saw someone along the eastern corridor. Obviously he was going to the timekeeper office. Now Sanku was thinking that obviously he was going to the timekeeper office. Timekeeper office is, you can say, the office of one who kept records of the hour worked by an employee. So he thought that the man is going to the timekeeper office. He must have seen him everything. उसने सोचा कि शायद उस व्यक्ति ने उसे सब कुछ करते हुए देख लिया है, उसको घड़ी चुराते हुए देख लिया है. Perhaps he was hastening to inform the watchman at the gate. Sanku was thinking perhaps he was hurried to inform the watchman at the gate. Oh God, he said, oh God, had he bungled? उसने कहा, हे ईश्वर, क्या उससे कोई भूल हो गई? Had he made a work without skill? He had done a work without skill. He had done work about which he did not know. Sanku stood like a pillar, petrified. Sanku वहाँ पर एक पिलर के भांति, like a pillar he stood there, petrified. Petrified means, you can say, being horrified, being terrified. He stood there like a pillar. The gold watch seemed to burn his pocket like a burning cinder. That gold watch which he put into his pocket, it was looking him like it was feeling him like a burning cinder. एक दहकता हुआ एक अंगारे के समान दिख रहा था. It sent sparks along his nerves, and that watch sent sparks. Sparks means, you can say, small pieces of partly burnt coal, जिसे हम चिंगारी कहते हैं. तो उसे ऐसा फील हो रहा था कि वो घड़ी से निकलने वाली चिंगारी, अर्थात जेब में पड़ी हुई वो आग का जो गोला था, उसकी चिंगारी उसकी नसों में समाहित हो रही हो. The whole wood seemed to be spinning around him in a blazing fire. The whole wood seemed to be spinning. वो सब कुछ, हर चीज़ वहाँ उसको एक जलती हुई महसूस हो रही थी. Turning round and round, the whole world seemed to be spinning around him in a blazing fire. एक आग के समान पूरा संसार उसको उसके चारों ओर जलता हुआ प्रतीत हो रहा था. The whole world seemed to be spinning around. Spinning means घूमता हुआ, around him in a blazing fire. Blazing means, you can say, very hot, बहुत ही गर्म. तो संपूर्ण उसको दुनिया और पूरे संसार, उस समय जब उसने घड़ी चुरा करके जेब में रख ली थी, उस समय उसको ऐसा लग रहा था कि पूरा संसार उसके चारों ओर एक चिंगारी सा जल रहा महसूस हो रहा था. Flames arose from every particles of sand. और ऐसा महसूस हो रहा था कि वहाँ की प्रत्येक वस्तु से, प्रत्येक कण से आग की लौ उठ रही हो. No shade of coolness everywhere. कहीं भी उसे ठंडक महसूस नहीं दिखाई दे रही थी, कहीं भी छाया नहीं दिखाई दे रही थी. Everything was on fire, burning. उसे ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे सब कुछ जल रहा हो. It means the fear inserted in his heart. He was under the grip of the fear when he stole the watch, when he put the watch into the pocket. Brother Sanku, why are you standing here like a pillar? Sanku turned with a start and saw Madhavan standing. close by. Sanku stammered out, no reason, for nothing. Madhavan asked, Brother Sanku, why are you standing here like a pillar? माधवन ने पूछा शंकु से कि शंकु भाई आप यहाँ एक स्तंभ के समान क्यों खड़े हैं? शंकु turned with a task and terrified. Suddenly Sanku turned and saw Madhavan standing close. And Sanku stammered. Stammered means you can say that speak with sudden involuntary pauses. घबराहट में एकदम हक्का बक्का होकर के बोल देना. So in sudden involuntary pauses Sanku spoke out. No reason, for nothing. कोई कारण नहीं है, किसी कार्य के लिए नहीं खड़ा हूँ. And students, go on my lyre, Madhavan said with a laugh and walked away to his work. And go on my lyre. झूठे. माधवन ने ऐसा कहते हुए हंसते हुए कहा और वह अपने कार्य के लिए चला गया. So students, I explained till here. In the next video I explain the remaining portion. Thank you. Have a nice day.